So in top right on Tinder now, there is a feature, this is called double date. There are like two emojis. So what is that? So when you swipe in Tinder, you will see like two vertical profiles. This is just a beta feature where is basically you need to invite up to 3 friends to pair up on double date. So you will just go and invite in here. So 3 people where you just share this link who you're interested. Then you have 3 friends. And then when you see this double date feature, then you just like someone. And if someone from that Tinder profile, one of 2 persons, just one likes you, and then someone else likes I guess other profile, or maybe just one like is enough, then you can kind of go, yeah, maybe just one like is enough, then you can go on the date with your friend. So not alone. So this is a new kind of maybe security feature from Tinder. So then you can just prioritize double date, don't show double date profiles, show friends on my profile, show me on my friend's profile. So this is just how you wanna it to be displayed. This is kind of a new beta testing. I don't know whether it's popular on Tinder or how it works, but there you have it.